In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a table smaller in Google Docs, whether you're adjusting the layout to better fit your document or simply consolidating space. These steps will guide you through resizing your table efficiently and effectively. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Docs. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to log into your Google account to access your documents. Once you're in, locate and click on the document that contains the table you wish to resize. This will open your document in the editor. Next, you'll want to identify the table within your document. Click and drag your cursor over the entire table to highlight it. This step is important because highlighting the table ensures that any changes you make are applied to the whole table rather than just a part of it. After the table is highlighted, turn your attention to the toolbar at the top. Here, you'll find the font size option. Click on it, which will bring up a drop-down menu of various font sizes. By selecting a smaller font size, you can effectively reduce the size of the text within your table, leading to a more condensed table layout. Now, we move on to resizing the table columns themselves. Click on the table so that the column guidelines become visible on the sides and top. Position your cursor over a column's border until it turns into a double-headed arrow. Then click and drag this border to resize the column to your desired width. This resizing allows for a customized fit for the content within each column, making your table appear more compact and organized. To maintain uniformity among your columns, you can right-click anywhere on the table. This action will bring up a context menu. From there, find and click on Distribute Columns. By selecting this option, Google Docs automatically adjusts the width of each column so that they are equally sized, providing a neat and even appearance to your table. And there you have it. With these few quick steps, you've effectively minimized the size of your table in Google Docs. Employing these techniques not only helps in tidying up the presentation of your document, but also enhances readability and visual appeal. Remember, when working with tables or any other formatting tools in Google Docs, a little experimentation and practice can go a long way in making your documents look professional and polished. Feel free to go back and make adjustments as necessary until you achieve the exact layout you envisioned. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out more of our helpful tips for mastering Google Docs.